Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. Today we're gonna be doing some vacation prep. I know I'm looking a little bit right now, but my skin. So basically, here's what I like to do, you guys. So my nails I do myself, my feet I'm going to get done, and then my eyebrows and my lips and everything else I take care of myself. I did my hair last night, which will be in a separate video. I'm gonna put a little bit of footage in here, but y'all stay tuned for the full video because I did some island twists. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this vacation prep. We're gonna do a little bit of shopping. We're going to do a little bit of skincare, a little bit of shaving because I'm pretty sure I got that little unibrow. We got a bit of a mustache that we need to handle and take care of. So yeah, come on. And welcome to my channel. All right, you guys, so I picked these up from Walmart in my self-care haul. So yeah, go check that out. I went to Walmart, I went to Ulta, and I also went to Target to get some things. This is just basically what they look like. It's super cute. This was my first time using it though, but so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows first, my little unibrow, and then come back. Okay, so this is probably a bit long for me to be doing my eyebrows and stuff, but so I just basically, and then I get my eyebrows a little bit. Good molecules. I'm not pronounce it, the oil blend for dry skin. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. You probably gonna have to put her up then if she keep doing it. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just me, your body, your mind. Baby, you give me ice and fire. Hey you guys, what's up? So I'm about to get my feet done. And yeah, y'all gonna come too. This is what my skin is looking like now. My eyebrows, I should like to shape them up a little bit before I go, but let's go. All right, you guys, so got my feet done. Oh, I'm about to pick up a couple of things from Target, like soap, you know, toothbrush, toothpaste, mouthwash, that kind of thing. And yeah, let me show y'all my toes real quick. My toes, I was gonna get a white tip, but I literally just had white. So you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me guys, last part of the trip, we need to do our nails at almost midnight. Because why? I waited to the last minute. So this is what we finna do. We finna do our nails. I just like doing my nails myself because I like being able to take them off when I want. So I picked up these nails, Kissed. This is the Kiss Salon design. And I picked these up from Walmart actually. So yeah, I got these with Mexico in mind because I was supposed to be originally going to Mexico. So basically I got some alcohol, I got some cotton pads. I got this little thing, I got this from Target with all my nail stuff in here. So it's polish and nail hardener, this nail cutter, a couple buffers, you know, that kind of thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of my nails together, separate them, designate them to a nail, because we not finna go out of town looking like this. Okay, so okay guys, so basically what I'm gonna do, I have a drill that I usually work with, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I do not feel like going back upstairs to get it. I'm really trying to hurry up and get this done so I could get to sleep because I got to get up early for my flight. So basically all I do is just go in. I file these down a little bit, but I don't file my nails down too much because I want the glue to have something to hold on to. I see a lot of people, they cut theirs all the way down. I don't like doing that. So I'll just like shape mine up a little bit. You guys, I cannot tell y'all how many times I have filmed a vacation prep video and I just never post it. So I'm gonna speed this part up because I'm literally just getting everything ready. Okay, you guys, so I already got a couple nails on here. That's what they look like so far. Basically what I do, I got a video that I did showing how I do my nails at home during quarantine, but then nobody give up. But now for real, basically I just take it, I do it on my right hand first because that's the least easiest, and then I just take the glue and I put it all on my nail. And then I take the fake nail and I put the glue where my nail's gonna be. Only where my nail's gonna be at. And then I'm gonna take it, put it on my nail, and I'm gonna hold it there. And I'm not gonna hold it there for like a couple seconds. I'm gonna hold it there for like a minute or two so it can stay long, because I don't want my nails popping off on vacation. So I'm taking a solo trip to Las Vegas, and I will be staying at Planet Hollywood. Never stayed there before. So if y'all interested in a hotel review, stay tuned for that.